Hey guys, just Texas Sky Drones again here with another flight. We're gonna be flying out of a little park. It's like a nature trail down here in China View. It's called Rio Villa Park, and so we're gonna go ahead and get started. And this park is located in
Takeoff.
China View, Texas. It's right off the San Jacinto River. It's right at the bend, and so we're gonna fly over the river first. Take a look at all the little land masses. There's one right there. It looks like it's an island of some sort. It has some trees. Well, actually, it looks like it's a peninsula. And again, this is the San Jacinto River. There's a bend. This is the south side of the bend. And as you can see there's a little fishing pier. And that right there is actually the nature trail. As you can see, there's a trail right there. And it's about a mile long. And they have some shortcuts. And they got a bunch of little trees. There's the entrance. And that's the river towards the San Jacinto Monument. And we're gonna fly down that way. There's the homes. They're on stilts. And if I remember, all this area here was flooded during the hurricane. During Hurricane Harvey. There's a cool little island there. There's an island there. There's the other side of the San Jacinto River bank. And now we're flying towards the bend of the river. Yeah, before I took off, I went ahead and walked the trail. And it was about a mile. And I found several shortcuts going across the loop. So you didn't have to walk that whole mile. If you wanted to, you can take one of the shortcuts. And I'm flying over my location. And there's a fishing pier again. There's a little lagoon here. And I'm kind of lower my altitude here because of the wind warnings. There's a tree right in the middle of the river. And yeah, I'm getting a bunch of wind warnings and starting to lose signal. So I'm gonna try to get some of this aerial footage of the park. So we're in the end of winter. Spring is coming up, so you can see some of the green is coming back, but some of the trees, well, most of the trees here are still bare. But here in a couple of weeks, though, I imagine the trees are going to come back. There's the other side of the park. There's some residential homes right there. Oh, sorry about that. I'm losing signal here. There we go. Got signal back. There's the trail. It's clay trails. It's not paved. And again, I walked that whole trail there, and I was keeping up with the distance. And there's the entrance of the trail. There's the parking area right there. And that is the other side of the trail right there. It's the end of the loop. Now, if you can see, that's the other. See if you can see down in distance, that's the San Jacinto River, and that this park is located inside of that bend. As you can see, it goes around this whole landmass. So this is kind of sort of like a peninsula. And you can see the river there on the left, how it goes down to the end of this landmass and then goes around. And then of course there's like a lagoon right in the middle of it. And then there's also some ponds. And then there's a lake on the other side of this bend. And there's like these islands here. They have a bunch of moss trees. And moss trees are kind of like my favorite tree. To me, they're just so beautiful. And that's the San Jacinto River right there. Again. Oop, sorry about the fast pan. And I'm located right there on the left. That is a canoe launch. And you can actually, if you had a canoe or a kayak or something, you can launch it there. And you're free to explore this whole area via canoe or kayak or even a small rowboat. I'm gonna fly over to this area here. This is the other side of the river, and there's people's homes right here. It's a residential area. And yeah, we're getting a bunch of wind warnings. I'm gonna try to superimpose the my screen down there. That way you can see all the wind warnings that we're getting. So I want to kind of fly close to where I am, and I want to be able to have visual, because we do have some seagulls out here, and seagulls are not very nice to my drone. And there I am right there. That's the canoe. Again, that's the canoe launch. And I'm flying kind of low here because of the wind warnings, as you can see. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fly kind of low, and I want to kind of explore this little piece of the peninsula there, and it looks like there's some moss tree right there. And now let's fly low. I'm gonna fly low across this little lagoon type waterway, and I'm gonna try to avoid the trees that are in the middle of this waterway. Yes, so what I'll do is I'm gonna go past that tree right there in the center of the screen, and then come back this way. It's really a beautiful day here. It's a Sunday, and we're in March, so we're towards the end of winter. Spring is coming up. Okay, so we passed this first tree. Okay, we're gonna go past those two trees right there on the left, and we're gonna head back. Check out all that vegetation. Okay, let's fly along the shore here. You can see all those little lagoons, little entrances. There's our fishing pier again. We're gonna get some footage of this pier. I'm gonna lower it a little bit, try to get it nice and level. That way we can see the end of this path here. I'm actually surprised there's nobody out here fishing. It's just a beautiful day out here. It's about 75 degrees, sunny. There's some wind, but it comes and goes. And there I am right there. It seems like every once in a while this wind will pick up, then it'll die, then it'll pick up, then it'll die. And there I am. Again, that's a canoe, kayak, small rowboat launch. And looks like there's people back there. Take a look. Yep, it's a little girl on a bike. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I don't want to disturb their Sunday. So I'm gonna find a nice suitable place, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. And as I land, I just want to let you know this again. This was Rio Villa Trails here in Channelview, Texas. And I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Landing.